Hi everybody, thanks for joining us for this academic writing module. Today we are going to analyze a sample question as well as analyzing Band 9 model essay with its strategies, tips, model answer, and as well as analyzing topic-specific vocabs, how to use evidences, how to make complex sentences, and as well as sharing with you some great strategies. Okay, let's get started. Today, our question is, nowadays, the way many people interact with each other has changed because of technology. In what ways has technology affected the types of relationship that people make? Difficult question, right? And has this been a positive or negative development? Dear candidate, remember that you should cover these two questions. If you just cover the first one, you are gonna lose mark. If you are gonna cover the second question, then you are gonna lose mark as well, okay? You have to provide approaches, ways, methods regarding effect of actually technology on relationships in individuals. And has this been a positive or negative development? Actually, the effect of this phenomenon was that positive or negative? Okay, this is actually ideas were mixed type essay. This is highly difficult sample question to actually answer. Okay, I'm gonna analyze it and say and provide strategies for you. But before actually starting to write our essay, please take a look to our previous videos regarding essay planning. Dear candidates, you have to be aware that under less than 5 minutes, you have to provide student plans for your introduction, main body part 1, main body part 2, and your conclusion, okay? Okay, this is a Band 9 sample essay. You can learn it and use it in your real question, okay? In your real exam, Band 9 score. It's true that new technologies have an influence on communication between people. Technology has affected relationships in various ways, in different kinds of approaches, and in my opinion, there are both positive and negative effects, impacts. I'm gonna show you a relationship, right? And it seems to me that it is logical to me that there are both beneficial and negative impacts on individuals, right? I'm gonna emphasize that you have to use synonyms. You have to paraphrase the sentence. Okay, that's gonna increase your mark. And remember that you have to use great and correct punctuations. Okay, I highlighted it with green. Okay. This was our introduction paragraph, and then main body part 1. Technology has had an impact on a great impact on relationship and business, education, and social life. Why? Because we have to cover the type of relationship, okay? And here we see it's great: business, education, and social life. Firstly, telephones and the internet allow business people in different countries to interact without ever meeting each other. That's true. Secondly, services like Zoom, or we can say Meets, um, provide new opportunities, new possibilities for relationship between students and teachers, right? For instance, a student can now take video lessons with a teacher in a different city or country. This is a general evidence which is provided very correctly. Finally, many people use social networks as TikTok to make new friends and search for people who share common interests, and they interact through their computers, laptops, rather than face to face. Dear candidates, please pay attention to the usage of linking devices which provide sequence of reasons in a correct way. Firstly, secondly, finally, okay? And we can see, usage of topic specific vocabs, social networks, TikTok, computers, Zooms, business, social life, education. But you have to be aware that please avoid from writing the same vocab again and again. You have to avoid repetition of the same vocab, okay? It's important, okay? On the other hand, these developments can be extremely positive. Cooperation between people in different countries was much more difficult when communication was limited to written letters or telegrams. Nowadays, interaction by email, phone, or video are almost as good as face-to-face meetings, and many of us benefit from these interactions either in work or social contexts. I'm going to show you this sentence, which is complex sentence, not basic short sentence. It's important, okay? The candidate said that this is extremely positive things. On the other hand, the availability of new communication technologies can also have the result of isolating. The availability of new communication technologies can have the result of isolating. We can say there is a problem here, can also contribute to isolating people, isolating individuals, and discouraging real interaction. There is problem here, okay? Okay. On the other hand, the availability of new communication technologies can also we can say can contribute to, can result in, can related to isolation of individuals and discouraging people to real interaction. Okay, you have to avoid from writing sentences which has grammatical errors. For example, many young people choose thick to make friends online rather than mixing with their peers in real world, spending time, right? And these virtual relationships are a poor substitute for real friendship. Okay, there is a problem there. Great coverage. Why this is positive? Why this is negative? But I'm gonna add this instead of saying extremely positive, providing one thing that is, for example, looks 100% positive, 100% extreme negative. It's better to use tentative language. Can be all approximately positive. Okay, because we are not 100% sure that this is 100% true or not. Okay, you have to use great punctuation. Please avoid from writing the same vocab. Avoid from writing basic vocabs, and again, pay attention to the usage of complex sentences. Full structure and coverage of the question demands, it's important, and usage of linking devices, good phrases. Okay, it's important, and also usage of topic specific vocabs that gonna increase your mark. Okay, virtual realities. Okay, in a conclusion, it's better to say, to sum up, to recapitulate, all in all, technology has certainly revolutionized communication between individuals, but not all of the outcomes of this revolution has been positive. That's a highly short introduction paragraph, but that's accepted. Okay. Please, dear candidates, please pay attention to the usage of topic-specific vocabulary, how to use evidences and examples, which the candidate uses here very professionally, and usage of complex sentences, which I tried to show you, avoid from writing the, basic and short sentences. It's highly important. And the last tips I'm going to show you is actually, dear candidates, please take a look at our previous videos regarding must watch YouTube channels for your IELTS speaking and writing exam. Okay, especially BBC Learning English. Okay, it's important. There are lessons and modules which gonna increase your vocabs capacity. Okay, for example, learning about AI, social media. These are highly important, extremely. For example, in this actually writing task 2 essay, the candidate was actually, he or she was able to talk and write vocabs related to AI, usage of AI and technologies in its effect on business, our jobs, our careers, our relationship, and our real life. Okay, it's important. You can take a look at our previous videos and learn it, use it in your real exam. Okay, it's important. Okay, and if you want, you can write your essay, drop it in comment section. Me and my team gonna analyze it and share with you the results. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and see you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care and bye.